Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let we start GK Unit 5, Explore the World, chapter Citizen of Different Countries. Read the clues and write the nationalities of the following people. You may use the help box. Number 1. The name of my country is America. I am an American. The name of my country is Saudi Arabia. I am an Arab. I live in Japan. I am in Japanese. I live in Russia. I am a Russian. I live in Kenya. I am an Kenyan. The name of my country is China. I am a Chinese. I live in Nepal. I am a Nepali. I live in Canada. I am a Canadian. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Currency power. Currency is the system of money that a country uses. The currency of India is the rupee. Likewise, all the countries have their own currencies. The pictures of the currency notes of some countries are given below. Complete the name of the currencies. You may use the help box. It is the currency of the UK, pound. It is the currency of Japan, yen. It is the currency of the UAE, dirham. It is the currency of Russia, ruble. It is the currency of Iran, real. It is the currency of Mexico, peso. And the last one, it is the currency of the USO, dollar. So students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Natural disaster. This chapter only for reading. Natural disasters are severe and extreme natural events that can have a destructive impact on human life. Let us read about some natural disasters. Volcano. Deep below the surface of our earth, there is a pool of hot molten rock. It is called a magma. A volcano is a place the earth's surface from where the magma erupts. Most volcanoes are mountain shaped with an opening on the top. Sometimes magma erupts with a force from this opening. Gases, ash, and debris also shoot up from the volcano. When magma erupts through the earth's surface, it is called a lava. So volcanic eruptions can cause great damage to life and property. Drought, yani sukha. First one is Jwalamukhi. A drought is a long period of time when there is little or no rainfall at a place. The time duration considered to be drought period varies from region to region. In some normal regions, a period of 4 months without rain would be regarded as a drought. However, in a desert, a few dry years would be considered a drought. A drought can cause many problems because of scarcity of water. Crops are damaged and many animals die. A great drought occurred in our country in Bengal in 1943. It is estimated that 2 to 3 million people died during the period. Flood, यानी कि बाढ़. A flood occurs when water usually from a river overflows and covers land that is normally dry. Sometimes a sudden heavy rain brings down more water that can be disposed of. It also causes floods. Such floods are called flash floods. Floods can be very devastating structures. such as buildings get damaged due to flood water. People and animals die due to drowning. Floods can also lead to epidemics. On 26 July 2005, very heavy rains occurred in Mumbai city and other parts of Maharashtra state. It resulted in flash flood. At least 1,000 people died in the flood. Earthquake. Bhukam. An earthquake is shaking of the earth's surface. It is caused when a rock beneath it suddenly moves. Earthquakes cause damage to buildings, bridges, dams, and people. There can be a great loss of lives. On 25th April 2015, a major earthquake occurred in Nepal state of our country. It killed more than 9,000 people and injured another 22,000. It rendered about 500,000 people homeless. Thunderstorm. Very strong winds are called storms. Thunderstorms are usually accompanied by heavy rainfall, strong winds, hail, and sometimes lightning. Strong winds cause damages to buildings. Some thunderstorms also lead to flash floods. Lightning can strike people and buildings, and it is very dangerous. Thunderstorms can occur year round and at all hours of the day or night. A typical thunderstorm lasts about 30 minutes. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now, let's begin the next chapter. Popular brands. Okay. Suzuki. We use many things in our everyday life. Some products are popular by their names. These popular names are called brands. The names of some famous brands are given below. Write their product names in the blank space. You may use the help box. Where is help box? Okay. So let we start. Suzuki. ये है कार का ब्रांड है. Chocolate. Car chocolate. Energy drink. Bajaj. What is it? Motorcycle. Motorcycle. Next one is cell phone. Bread. Soap. Coca-Cola drink and soft drink. Pamper diaper. Adidas shoes. Okay. These are the. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. On the move. Vehicles that we use to go to different places are called means of transport. Means of transports make traveling easier and faster. Common means of transport. So write the names of the common means of transport shown below. Also write where each of them moves by writing the circle. L for land, R for rails, W for water, and A for air. Okay. Land, car, train, boat, water, aeroplane, air. B. Uncommon means of transport. What is it? Here are some uncommon means of transport. To know their names, write the letters given in reverse order. Okay. This is tram. ये कोलकाता में चलती है. ओके, ये है हॉट एयर बलून। ये है सबमरीन। और ये है ग्लाइडर। So, dear students, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. So, we will meet to the next class. Thank you, everyone.